Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. In this video, I want to tell you guys about another credit card. And the best thing about this credit card is that you can check to see if you're going to get approved for the credit card without actually getting a hard inquiry to your credit reports. Now, when they do actually pull your credit reports, they are going to pull a TransUnion. So you're going to have a TransUnion pull, but at least you guys can check to see if you're approved without them actually giving you a hard pull right away. Now, with this credit card, I do suggest you guys have at least a minimum of a 550 credit score. And you can see right here, your annual fee can be between $0 or $59. And then your credit limit will be between $300 or $1,000. Now, I have heard that they'll most likely start you off with about $750, even $1,000. But for those people that can't get a credit card, then this will be a good credit card that you can even just try to see if you can get, and then see what they want to say in terms of what your limit is going to be. If you have negative accounts on your credit reports, this credit card is still fine too. You guys can definitely still have negative things on your credit and get approved for this. So let me click cancel there. Do not want them to track me. Your APR is going to be on the high side, but all other credit cards that I show you guys usually is on the high side. So this is kind of normal at this point, that you'll be 24.99% and between 29.99%. Now, you won't have any hidden fees at all. You guys will be able to, if you have any fraud, somebody said that they did have some fraud before on their account and they addressed it. The fraud department actually called them about it. They didn't even see it. The fraud department was on top of that. And another thing, if you guys were to get a credit card with another company, such as like Discover or like Navy Federal Credit Union, if you're requesting that they take the money directly out of your account, usually your money is not available right away. But with this company, a lot of people were saying that their money was available right away as soon as they authorized them to take that money was available right away. So I really like that. And you guys will have an online account. You can log right on into your account and you can see anything that's going on with your account. You can pay your bill and it's going to report to all three credit bureaus, which will help you boost your credit score. Now, again, you can apply for this credit card and it won't impact your credit unless you decide to accept the offer. If you accept the offer, then yes, it is going to hurt your credit. They're going to pull your TransUnion credit reports. But like I said, if you have negative accounts, some people have said they actually got approved for this account, even though they had negative accounts on their credit reports. So that's something good that you can definitely think about. But if you have any questions, definitely go ahead and contact them. This company is the card is actually issued through Web Bank, and I told you guys about a lot of different cards through Web Bank, but you can definitely check it out. Now, not only did I want to show you about this credit card, I want to show you other credit cards just in case you like the point that you can get pre-approved without them checking your credit. I think all companies should do this. Like, I really like that you can go ahead and apply now for the credit card, and you don't have to worry about them actually checking your credit. So the first credit card I want to talk about is the Deserve card. I talked to you guys about this credit card already, but I still think a lot of people are sleeping on it, so I'm going to make a video about it again. It is a student credit card. You can apply and pre-qualify for this credit card. They are going to pull your credit reports if you accept the offer, and then they do want to look at your banking history. So that's like a double whammy, They want to look at your credit reports and they want to look into your bank account. But it may be worth your while, especially if you can get other credit cards, and they're going to pay for your prime for a year. You're going to get cash back, 1% cash back on all your purchases, and you're not going to have an annual fee, which is really good because that's what you really don't want to have, is annual fees on your credit cards. So you can go ahead and click right here and pre-qualify now for this credit card. Now, I don't want to leave you here with just this other credit card. I want to show you more credit cards that you can get where you can actually just pre-qualify for it without that hard inquiry. So the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is Mission Lane. So the Mission Lane credit card, again, you can see if you're approved, see if you can be approved for this credit card. You're not going to get a credit check. It's not going to hurt you. They can just see what you're approved for. So you're not going to have to hit to your credit score at all. So if you want to see if you can pre-qualify for it, definitely check out this credit card. Now, if you were to get an annual fee on any of these credit cards, understand that you could call them too. You can call them and say, hey, I have an annual fee. Can I get this annual fee waived? And sometimes they will waive that fee, but you have to just try to see if you can get that fee waived. So definitely check out the Mission Lane. And if you have, like I said, if you don't have the best credit, you still got negative accounts on your credit reports, you possibly can still get approved for that Mission Lane credit card. So that may be something that you want to check out. Now, again, some more pre-qualifying credit cards. You can think about Discover. They can actually do a pre-qualification. They can see if you approve of one of their credit cards. And if you're not approved for one of their credit cards and they tell you to get their secure credit card, I really think you should get their secure credit card, because if you're paying your bill on time, keeping your balance low, then in 7 months, you have they'll look at your credit reports again, they'll look at your account, and they'll see if they want to graduate your account. So say if you put on a $200 limit on a credit card, in 7 months, they'll check to see if you've been good and you've been keeping your balance low, paying on time, and you just have nothing new on your credit reports. That'd be the biggest thing. Don't have anything new on your credit reports. If you have those things going for you, then they'll reimburse your money. Then they'll give you a new limit, which will be a higher limit. And now you'll have a regular credit card with them. When you get a regular credit card, every 6 months, you could be getting an increase with them. So I definitely suggest that everybody check out the Discover credit cards. And it's a lot of them, but check to see if you can get pre-approved, because there's not going to be a hit to your credit. It's like, why not try it? It's not going to be a hit at all. Now, not only do they do that, we also have Capital One here. So I always go to the Fair Building cards, because let's face it, the reason why you're probably watching this video is because your credit is not the best. So you really need to get credit cards that's actually going to approve you. So Capital One, they can actually pre-qualify you for a credit card, pre-approve you for a credit card, and they have multiple cards that you can get. They have their Platinum card that doesn't have any annual fee at all, and then they have their Quicksilver One rewards. Now with this one, you guys are going to get cash back, 1.5% cash back on all your purchases every day, and you only have to pay that $39 annual fee. You can ask that they go ahead and waive that fee for you, but you can definitely see if they can waive it, but you will have the annual fee for this one. If you cannot get their regular credit cards, I do suggest you get the secure credit cards with them also. And the reason why I suggest you get the secure credit cards with them also is because they will graduate also. So with Capital One, it's as little as 6 months. And you can see that right here too. Be automatically considered for a higher credit line in as little as 6 months. So that is really good. And you can go ahead and just put that deposit down, pay your bill on time, keep your balance low, and you could possibly get a higher limit credit card when they review your account. And they'll automatically go ahead and review your account. You don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, should I call them? They will automatically review your account. So I really like these credit cards. If you guys want me to do a video on other credit cards, definitely let me know. But I want to keep coming to you guys with a lot of different credit card offers, a lot of different credit card options that's out there. If you decide to take this serious, go ahead and see if you can get pre-qualified for it. Definitely come back and let us know how it went. Let us know if you was able to get approved. Let us know what your credit score was, what credit bureau they pulled from. Just let us know a little bit about your credit reports. Do you have negative accounts? Any recent new negative late payments or anything, just let us know so that others will be able to apply for that credit card also. But thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget, sign up for my exclusive membership if you have negative accounts on your credit reports and you need to get them removed. Sign up, you guys. Let's help remove them negative accounts so that you're not just trying to get secure credit cards. If that's the only thing that's out there for you, you'll be able to get other credit cards. And don't forget, I have an option right now where you can sign up for the exclusive membership for just $1. We have the $1 trial. You guys can sign up for the $1 trial, and we will definitely help you remove those accounts from your credit report. So hopefully I will see you guys soon and talk to you later. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.